Want to hide Reels view counts on your Instagram profile? Here's how to do it in just a few easy steps. If you'd rather keep your view numbers private, Instagram gives you the option to turn them off. Here's how to find it. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Now tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Creator Tools and Controls under the For Professionals section. If you don't see this option, make sure your account is set to a professional or creator account, as this feature isn't available to personal accounts. Next, scroll down the list and tap on View Counts on Profile. Here you'll see a toggle labeled Hide View Counts. Turn this switch on, and your Reels view counts will no longer be visible to anyone who visits your profile. Your Instagram profile now looks cleaner, and your view activity stays private. If this helped you out, give the video a like, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching.